In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Sofi account step by step. It's essential to approach this process methodically to ensure everything is wrapped up without a hitch. Let's dive in, starting with accessing your account. First, you'll need to log in to your Sofi account on your desktop. Open your favorite browser and go straight to sofi.com. Once you're there, you'll notice a login button located in the top right corner of the page. Click on that and a new window will prompt you to enter your login information. Fill in your email and password, and if you have two-factor authentication enabled, be sure to input your unique code. This added security measure helps protect your account from unauthorized access, so make sure you enter it correctly. With access to your account, it's time to review and empty any existing accounts. From your dashboard, you'll want to transfer any remaining balance to another bank account. It's crucial to ensure that no money is left untouched. Additionally, it's a good idea to download your statements and tax forms for future reference, particularly if you need records for tax purposes or financial records. Now let's navigate to the support options. At the top of the page, you can find the help menu, or if you prefer, scroll down until you reach the support section. Here, Sofi provides you with options to connect through live chat, email, or phone support. Choose the method that suits you best, but be aware that some methods might take longer than others. To request the closure of your Sofi account, you have three options. If you prefer the speed of live chat, simply click the chat icon located at the bottom right of your screen. Once the chat initiates, type in the request, "I want to permanently close and delete my Sofi account." If you're inclined to use email support, send your request to their support email, being sure to include your name, email address, and the last four digits of your social security number for verification purposes. Alternatively, if you'd like to speak directly with someone, you can call their support line at the number provided for immediate assistance. Once you've made your request, Sofi will require you to verify your identity as the account holder. They may ask for additional details such as your full name, date of birth, and the last four digits of your social security number again. Confirm with them that all funds have been withdrawn and that no balances remain in your account. Finally, once everything has been processed, you'll receive a confirmation email indicating that your Sofi account has been successfully closed. Keep in mind that after this closure has been finalized, you won't be able to log back into the dashboard or access your account through Sofi's platform. And that wraps up the process of closing your Sofi account. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free account closure. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.